Hello, respected buyer, I will answer some questions about how much you can earn from a game. When a game first time on your console. Little known, it can bring you a single dollar per day, which is $30 per month. Now, you think I do not break my head for $30 a month. I haven't given up so? Like all investments, a game takes 2 or 3 days to launch. If you start 10 games, you will earn $300 a month. But respecting rules too. And this is only in the beginning month. After the month it improves. So if you strategy based on launching a single game, you will give up. A good console that contains 15 games can earn an average of $1,800 in a month. When it is well known, so focus on performance. I know some people who have 60 games, so imagine. Order now for your game.